heard about the dengue virus? Well, there are many more viruses spread by mosquitoes, and one of them is the Zika virus. This virus is spread by the Asia tiger mosquito. Zika has been linked with birth defects in human beings. This virus may be untreatable, but researchers are searching for another way to stop this devastating virus. A mosquito lab in China, which is the biggest mosquito factory in the whole world, is trying to find a way to put an end to Zika virus. This untreatable virus has caused many deaths and has forced some top athletes to withdraw from Olympics in 2016. This is a factory in China which is full of mosquitoes and is trying to put an end to the Zika virus. Now, how does this all work? Well, at the lab, male mosquitoes are poisoned with a common bacteria which can forbid Zika virus and other viruses such as dengue fever. These mosquitoes are then released into the air to mate with female mosquitoes, and due to the bacteria, no more eggs can be produced. In this factory, 20 million mosquitoes are raised in just 1 week. What about the local residents there? Well, these mosquitoes do not bite, which is why the local residents do not have any fear of the newcomers. This life-threatening virus has been spread to 49 countries, but is its on its way to being controlled. Many other countries have established mosquito factories to stop the spread of the viruses spread by these mosquitoes. I wish that scientists get the COVID-19 virus under control and we are able to travel and interact with each other freely without the fear of getting sick. Thank you.